What do you need to ignite your geyser? And that's air, that's gas, and that's electricity. And if that doesn't work, check your ignition cable, your electric cable. If the connection is good. Sometimes you got 2 batteries in your geyser. Check those out. You need at least 3 volts. And make sure you have enough gas pressure. And if those 3 strings are working, and air is always all around, you should have ignition. But what if your flame dies after pushing it in for a minute? Put it on electric. For me it's 10 seconds. Push the button, this is my electric knob, and we got ignition. And what if I release it pretty early and goes out for you, and you're holding it for a minute? How long that can be? What can be the problem? Now, 2 things. It can be the little sensor, your probe. That's the little cable right here to the back. That needs to get head up and needs to get 0.2 more volts, something or what. But if that doesn't work, there is a little trick, and it's cleaning it off, the probe, or you put and some extra heat to it, and that's cheating the system, but that's a way to easy fix. So ignition, let me put on the burner first. Ignition, power. Holding in there until it gets red hot. Doesn't take long, only a few seconds. And then I can release it. The knob stays out. Everything is working. Put it to the big one. Open it full, and then you can turn on the water. In my case, the flame died. When I used the water, the flame died. All flames come on for a few 5 seconds and then it goes off. What was the problem for me? There was a dirty water filter. Because to make a CV kettle work, you don't need only air, gas and ignition. No, you need enough gas pressure and enough water pressure. So those 3 things, four things you need to check. If you got those 4 things, then you got a good working CV kettle. And how to find your filter? Go to your cold water inlet. I'm thinking about a motor engine, but that's me. Cars are my life, not my hobby. That's just life. But right here, get it closer, is your water filter at the cold inlet, not at the warm outlet. There's no filter there. And what do you do to get there? So close off your water valve, close off your gas valve, and remove all nuts. And then a couple of these on the side probably. And then make sure your little gas line is loose, your probe is loose at the end. There's also a nut right there, and of course your ignition cable. And some have another air sensor that needs to disconnect, and then you can get the whole thing off, and your filter, your water filter, will be clear to pick it out. I got a different video about that. If you'd like to see that, check my other video. And those are the common problems you can get with the geyser that doesn't work, and I've shown you more or less how to fix those. I wish you good luck. If you have any questions, then leave them down below in the comments. Thank you very much. Ciao.